Hi, I'm Stephen Webster, delighted to welcome you to 46B Sunbury Road in Victoria Park. This well-maintained villa is in a small complex. It's well located, just a few minutes to the train station, a few minutes to the Polypharma Freeway, which means we're just a short drive to the UWA or the Curtin University. So if you're looking for a city base for the kids or yourself, of course the casino's only a few minutes away as well with the Perth Stadium. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 46B Sunbury Road in Victoria Park. As you can see, this neat villa will make a beautiful city base for you or the kids. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.